Here is Canva. It is a great graphic design website some of you may be familiar with that can help you create an infographic. Once you go in, you can create an account, choose one in education, then you'll have access to more of the features. And then under templates, look for infographic. You'll have a lot of options to choose, and I just say take your best guess at one that is closer to the sort of layout you're looking for. So I picked this one, and then I really changed a lot of it to fit my information. Now, before you really start creating it, you should have information highlighted in your articles that could go in the infographic. So I highlighted in this article this part, and in these articles, everything highlighted in orange or yellow here could go in the infographic. So I already had my information in mind and my categories in mind before I started creating it. So something else to keep in mind is when you're looking at the infographic, you can steal from other infographics. This first page is my main infographic. Below it, I have some infographics I added in just so I could steal from them. Like I saw a pie chart here, and I wanted a pie chart in mine. So when you click on a pie chart, you have a place to put the data, and then you can move the pie chart back up to the first page. And there was a setting in the pie chart to show the percentages and the reasons. And then I added the text, the title of the pie chart, and the text underneath it. The same thing with a bar graph, and this came from my sources that were actually in bullet point lists, and I turned them into bar graph and pie chart. This one is more of just text that's laid out. The red are the negatives and the greens are the positives when you're deciding to tell a white lie, or if a white lie is a good lie to tell. For the human lie detector part, it was a bullet point list in an article. I found a background online. It was an image of a lie detector reading, and then I added the text in the front and the check marks, and so it's like just a list. It's quick and easy to look at. Now, I didn't simply copy the list word for word. I changed the wording so it was more simple for an infographic, and also because if I choose the exact wording, that's plagiarism. So I did change the wording a little. And then there was the information about how lying impacts your health, and I tried to make it really visual. If you go to the elements, you can really search for almost anything. So I just wanted the number 3 to be cool looking, so I found some options. And that's where I found the fingers in the air. That was an easy way to say 3 and 4, but also visually appealing. So sometimes your infographic can include data. And if you go here, like I said, to the pie chart, you can change it. But there's all kinds of different data you can add: a bar chart, stacked bar chart, row chart, line chart, scatter plot, histogram, donut chart, funnel chart. I don't even know what those all mean, but you can play around with those. So that's where I got these two graphs. But then some of your information is more of a list. You just have to make it visually easy to look at and interesting to look at. And then at the very bottom, I added sources, and I have the author, the title of the website, the title of the article. I am missing the date, so I will go back through, revise, and add the date. And then another revision I'm going to make is put this heading at the top about white lies instead of at the bottom, because the others are at the top of each section. Other than that, with Canva, there's a lot about font, color, customizing the colors, adding in backgrounds, different elements. A lot of it's very easy to figure out on your own, and you can use the search bar, ask for help, or look on YouTube for help as well.